Happy New Year and welcome back to my platforms, Free Mindsets. This channel is about finding options for those who do not have the so-called sanitary passport. What can you do without it when it's cold and cloudy on top of it? Restaurants indoors are out, and this is valid for all of Switzerland, unfortunately. We are therefore left to eat outdoors or in our hotel rooms. By the way, check before booking your hotel. You should be welcome without the pass, providing you're not having your breakfast in the cafeteria or in the restaurant, plus you're not able to use the spa or get any massage services. Some restaurants have gotten overly zealous and want a 2G pass, which means they want you to take a PCR test on top of it before entering their restaurant. Well, those did not get too many customers as much as I've observed. We opted for the Alps, where even bus rides are fun. I must say those bus drivers or Postauto drivers are really good at it. We've decided to go to Saas-Fee and Saas-Armagell. There are plenty of things to see and to do. The landscape is beautiful after a snowfall, even if it's still cloudy. The former ski star Permin Surigan grew up in Saas-Armagell. He runs his own wellness hotel there today. On top of it, it's fun hearing Swiss German on the way. Saas-Fee is higher up. It's 1,800 meters above sea level near the Italian border. You can enjoy clean mountain air up there, in both places of course, as cars are not allowed there. Valais is the canton with the most mountains, which are above 4,000 meters. There are actually 13 of those. I hope you enjoyed this update. If so, please subscribe, like, and share. And here are some more impressions just for you. Bye-bye.